Alright, here's what the game plan is. The game plan is to salvage this day. The day sucks. Broke my finger for one. You can see it's kind of red and discolored and super swollen. It hurts real bad. So that's one thing. So I'm gonna try to do today and get is some stuff done, some easy stuff. I actually want to get this cab mount off at least today, and probably figure out where I want to cut this rocker panel, because this rocker panel needs to come off. It's bugging me. It's too much work. Here, let me turn this around. So I kind of want to cut that off right around there somewhere. Yeah, but I really want to get this cab mount off too as well. That bad boy needs to come out. I kind of like PB blasted it a little bit too to get her off, make it a little bit easier. I do not have my torch here yet. Oh no, I didn't want to cut into that. Dang it, Bobby. Damn it. Not bad. Not bad. Yep. Yep. So I got everything cut out that I actually wanted to get cut out for today. It's getting late, getting cold. My son's going to sleep, so I'm gonna go put him to sleep. But you guys can check it out. I didn't get too bad. Like, I need some of my tools. I need my impact, and I need some of my sockets so I get this cab mount off. But check this out. I cut out a lot. I cut that section out. And then I got this section out too, as well. Yeah, let me get this. But yeah, you can see I got that section cut out. It was like this little piece that goes right behind that section right there. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Haha, yeah. So, ow! I cut it out, and I got it right here. I'm gonna have to remake this piece myself because I cut a little extra. Off of it since it was all rusted on the back side. Figured might as well just cut it out. I could always remake it. It's not that hard to make or work metal. But this piece, I'm pretty sure I've seen this piece. They don't sell it as like it goes wrong way. It goes right there. It's part of the support. And the rocker panel goes underneath that, and then it supports the metal that sits right here and separates it from the inside and outside. So I'm going to order this piece up as a test fit. I'm just going to end it off for tonight. I did as much as I can with a full day of work and doing it after work. It sucks. It gets so dark now real quick. At like 5 o'clock it's already dark and all my lights are dying. So I gotta figure out something here. I got a lot of work to get done in the next 2 weeks. But it can be done.